Good morning, everyone. My name is Mustafa Kanapia, and it's a pleasure to be standing here today. I want to use these few minutes not just to introduce myself, but also to share some of my experience and backgrounds. To begin with a bit backgrounds, I hold the degree of Bachelor's in Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. I passed my licensure examination for professional teachers in my one take. During my school, I received different awards like leadership awards during my high school and class salutatorian in my elementary. I can say that schooling is not easy, as poor students like me would encounter different challenges. I felt hardship in terms of financial support that make me think that I couldn't do it. But I make myself stronger and fight because I believe that no matter how poor you are, as long as you keep moving and you'll be succeed, according to Henry Thoreau. Go confidently in the directions of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. And these sayings made me for who I am today and tomorrow. Thank you.